Hey guys, welcome to Lola Loops and Stitches. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make foundation stitches. In this case, will be foundation single crochet stitches. It's known as chainless foundation too. So, well, because there are times when you want to avoid beginning your work with a starting chain and do a chainless foundation instead. This is a method of making the first row of stitches and the starting chain at the same time, and it's done by making foundation stitches. It is a great alternative when the traditional foundation chain will be very long or where you want to have a more flexible edges, right? The only place they can't be used is when the first row of work has changed, as in the case of lace patterns. Now, I'm going to show you very quickly how they look. For example, this is the traditional foundation with the single crochet stitches, and this will be the foundation stitches, the chainless. If you see, the chainless looks longer. It's the same stitches, has 15, this one has 15, but this one looks longer. Why? Because I need to work more on my tension. That's what it is. I don't work foundation stitches often, so me doing it, yes, I can do it, but the tension is not gonna meet the size that I'm looking for. So, but there's way to beat the science. And the way it is by using a crochet hook, downsize the crochet hook. For this one, I used a 5, and for this one, I used a crochet hook 5 as well. But next time, then I'm going to try with a 4, and if it with 4.5 in this case. So that's all you need to do, and practice in order to get better in the tension. That's all. Now let's get started. Okay, guys, let's chain 2. I'm going to chain 2. Now you're going to insert your hook in the second chain stitch from the hook. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and you have 2 loops on your hook. Now you chain 1, and this step is extremely important because it's the one who's going to give you a base, and you're going to understand what is the base about. Now you yarn over and draw the yarn through the last 2 loops, forming the first single crochet, foundation single crochet stitch. Now, if you see here, you have the V for the single crochet stitch, and right here, you see the base. This is the base. And the base is important because this is where you are going to insert your hook again to continue making single crochet stitches along with the chain, the foundation chain. So you're going to insert your hook right here in the base, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn. Now you're going to chain 1 and yarn over again and draw the yarn through the last 2 loops. Sorry. Okay, now you have 2 foundation single crochet stitches. Here you have the base again. You're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 1, and yarn over again and draw the yarn through the last 2 loops. And you have another single crochet. So you see, that's the way you continue the same motion. Before anything, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification, that little bell, so you don't miss anything. And before I continue, I'm super happy because I made the 1,000 subscriber. Yay! I know I haven't been that consistent, but I'm trying to be as much. I work during the day, so it's difficult for me to be all the time on top of the tutorial, but I'm trying my best to be more present. And if you can make comments below, tell me what other stitches you would like to learn. Do so, please. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, because it's on Instagram where you're going to find me the most Go ahead, go to Instagram so you don't miss anything. Check in the description. I have a lot of information down there, and see you next time. Hey, check out my other videos where I'm showing necessary skills needed to grow faster in the crochet world. You can find Lola Loops and Stitches on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.